southern Otsego County, east central Broome County, northern Delaware County, southeastern Chenango County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Afton, or 13 miles northwest of Deposit, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oneonta, Sydney, Delhi, Davenport, Guilford, Maryland, Courtwright, Coventry, Meredith, and the National Weather Service in Bloomington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Otsego County, east central Broome County, northern Delaware County, southeastern Chenango County, until
My kids when it comes to discipline. I'm a dialogue dad.
And you're a good dad.
Thank you.
miles northwest.
You're a good guy. Fatherhood will be available.
Wow. Hello.